Have courage to step forward with hope. Today, dear viewers, I'm going to discuss about parts of speech. It is the continuation of the previous two videos that are sentences and its types, as well subject, predicate, phrases and clauses. So let us go to the topic. What are parts of speech? See, we have many words. Okay, we group together and we have sentence. So those words are divided according to their usage, how it is being used into various kinds or types. If you note those words, each word is identified, noted as different parts of speech. How? In the work that they do in a sentence. Okay, for example, work means here Joe is a beautiful boy. Here Joe is a boy. Boy is a noun. Beautiful boy. We are describing the noun boy. So that kind of description is called an adjective. So this is called work that they do in a sentence. So there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay. Now let us go to the first one, that is noun. What is a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or a thing. What is the name of the person? Example, Joel is a student. Here, Joel is a noun. It denotes a name of a person. Second one, Theni district outstands with its nature. Here, Theni district is a subject and it denotes a name of a place. Therefore, it is a noun. Third one, this pen writes better than yours. Here, this pen is a subject and it denotes a thing. Therefore, it is a noun. Okay. So, when you study definition in the examples, you have to compare and you have to study for the better understanding and usage. Okay. The second one is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Instead of a noun. நவுனுக்கு பதிலாக யூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் pronoun. For example, Harish is a student. He studies well. Sahana is an athlete. She is representing the state next month. So we need not repeatedly use the name of a person, place or a thing. Instead of that, we have to use he, she, it, they, I, we, you, etc. Okay. The third one is verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word which describes an action. Most of us are aware of action words. Okay. For example, I like chocolates. They are Indians. My dad is a doctor. Here you see like is the main verb. Second one, are. They are be verbs. Is a be verb. Okay. So am, is, are, was, were. They are be verbs. Okay. So when we come back to the next video about the description of verb, noun, that time it will be clear to understand in a depth manner. Okay. Now the fourth one is adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, I ran quickly in the competition. Quickly. Verb, ran. How? Quickly. Okay, second one. This park is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. Very beautiful. So adverb, verb, very is adverb. Okay. Third one. My friend said the answer quite appropriately. Here, quite is adverb. Appropriately is also an adverb. So an adverb add meaning to the verb, adjective and another adverb. Okay. So likewise you have to compare and study with the definition. Fifth one is adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, she is a beautiful singer. Singer is a noun, beautiful is an adjective. We are qualifying the singer, that is noun. Yeah. Second one, my brother is a handsome boy. Boy, handsome. Boy is a noun and we are adding more quality to that particular boy, that is noun. Okay. When we add more meaning or quality, that is an adjective to the noun. Okay. Sixth one is preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or a pronoun stands in relation to something else. Okay, so it is used with a noun or a pronoun. Why? To show how that particular person or a thing that is used in the sentence is denoted. Okay, in relation to something else. For example, your friend is in the garden, denoting the garden, something else. In. I am not fond of eating chocolates. Fond of. Our cat is hiding under the table. Under the table, something else. Okay, so that is a preposition. The seventh one is conjunction. What is a conjunction? It is a word used to join words or sentences. So it is a word used to join a word or a sentence. Okay. For example, I and my brothers. Two words are there. I and my brothers are good friends. He did the best but missed the first place. Here two sentences. He did the best. He missed the first place. To join these two sentences, we are using a conjunction. Okay. So to join two words, to join two sentences, we use a conjunction. Okay. The last one is interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses a sudden or strong feelings. For example, if you remember the types of sentences, the fourth one is first one is statement, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. The fourth one is exclamative. Exclamatory sentences expresses sudden feelings or a strong feeling. The same only the eighth one, interjection. Okay. For example, hurrah, we won in the competition. Alas, I missed my father. Father is dead. Okay. So when we express joy, happiness, sad, okay, surprise, wonder, this interjection is used. Okay, so I hope, dear viewers, it is clear to you. If you have anything to be clarified, you shall put it in the comment box, and for better development of my videos, please help me to improve in every way possible through your comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.